Contact lenses are a great way to have clear vision without glasses. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to insert your lenses. Hi everybody, it's Dr. Preet here from the Eye Studio YXE. Thank you for tuning into our channel where you get tips, tricks, and advice all delivered by me, your optometrist. If you're just starting out with contacts and maybe a little bit nervous about putting them in all on your own, this video is for you. I'm going to give you my 5 steps that are going to make sure you can put your lenses in with no problems every time. Make sure you stay to the end of the video where I give you 3 tips to get all-day comfort with your lenses. Now, when we do contact lenses, it's important that you handle the lenses before you use any moisturizers or creams on your hands or face. Even trace amounts of those things on the lenses will impact how comfortable your lenses are and can also make your vision a little bit blurry. If you're doing everything right and still struggling with comfort of your lenses, make sure you stay to the end of the video and I'll give you my recommendations on how to make sure your lenses are comfortable all day. Step 1 of putting in the lenses is to be organized. We're going to need a few things to get started. You'll need a mirror. You'll need some multi-purpose disinfecting solution, a clean and dry lint-free towel, and then also your lenses. Once you have all the materials you need, we need to practice handling your eyelids. And control of the eyelids is really the thing that's going to make you the most successful. People that struggle to hold the eyelids also struggle to put in the lenses. So this is what I do. I'm left-handed, so I use my dominant hand or my left hand to hold my lower eyelid and my right hand, my non-dominant hand, to hold my upper eyelid. Now always hold the eyelids with your middle fingers and grab the eyelid right where the eyelashes come out and then press the eyelashes against the bone of the eye socket. So with my dominant hand, my left hand, I hold my lower eyelid down, and then with my non-dominant hand, I hold my upper eyelid up, and then I get a nice and wide landing zone to put the lens on. Now that you've mastered holding and controlling your eyelids, the next step is to wash your hands and dry them with your lint-free towel. Now we're ready to put in the lenses. We're going to open the blister pack and pull the lens out and make sure the lens is in good condition, that there's no tears or rips in the lens and that the lens is not inside out. This is how you check to see if the lens is inside out. I've got the lens inside out and you can see the curve of the lens kind of flanges out like this, like the end of it, like a saxophone or a trumpet. Now when I gently squeeze the lens, it does not roll on itself. If I switch the lens the other way, this is the taco test, and we gently press the sides of the lens, you can see that the lens very easily rolls up like a taco, and that the edges of the lens kind of curve in this way, and that's how you know it's inside right. Now that you're sure your lens is clean, it's in good condition, and it is not inside out, put the lens right on the tip of your finger of your dominant hand. You'll use your middle finger to hold the lower eyelid down, the middle finger of your other hand to hold the upper eyelid up, and then you put the lens straight on and let it go. Before you let go of your eyelids, look up, down, left, and right, and then gently close. And there you have it. Contact lenses put in all on your own. As promised, these are my 3 recommendations to make sure your contacts are comfortable all day. Number 1, make sure you're using the newest lens materials. Every year, more lenses come out and the materials get better and better. And the advantage of the new materials is that they can stay on the eyes comfortably for a lot longer than the older lenses. Second tip for you is to make sure that your solutions you're using are compatible with the lens material that you have. So not all solutions are good for all lenses. The solutions really can impact the comfort of the lenses and also can spoil the lenses, making the vision cloudy. So ask your eye doctor about the solutions that you should be using for the contacts that you have. The third step is to use a rewetting drop. There are several types of artificial tears out there that work really good for this, but not all of them are suitable for all lenses. If you look in the description of this video, I've got links to some solutions that work really well with contact lenses. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any of the other videos. Also, now that you've got the lenses in, stay tuned for the next video on how to take them out. See you later.